very good evening. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. A meeting of those responsible for youth ministry in the province of Krakow PLS was held on 14 and 15 June at the Salesian Seminary in Krakow. The meeting was attended by Father Marcin Kanowski, Superior of the province, Father Franciszek Janaiga, Provincial Delegate for Youth Ministry, members of the Youth Ministry Commission, the Salesians responsible for local youth ministry, and also the members of the Youth Council of the province. The meeting was held with the aim of reviewing and evaluating the work carried out both at the local level and at the level of provincial animation. During the meeting, the program for the new pastoral year and the calendar of upcoming events were also presented. The provincial meeting of practical trainees from Central America CAM was held at the Sacred Heart Retreat House from 11 to 13 June. The event brought together 10 Salesians in the practical training formation phase, 2 from the first year and 8 from the second year. The general objective of the meeting was to guarantee a space for meeting and formation that helps Salesians to discuss matters together according to the proposed formation framework in relation to the practice of the preventive system. The central theme was a youth ministry that educates to love and address aspects such as accompaniment in the formation stage, the revision of formation processes for this level, and reflection on the core of the 2024 provincial chapter. Madhyam to grade 8 students of the Salesian SME program of Sayeng Thong Vithaya School, Salesian School, and Thira Nukro School, FMA School, Hatyai, Songkhla Province, totaling 50 people and 3 teachers went to exchange culture and educational experiences at the cultural learning centers and schools in the Salesian network at Salesio Gakuin Junior and Senior High School, Yokohama, Japan from the 6th to the 12th June 2024. This was an opportunity to visit a Salesian school in Japan where Thai students can study together and do activities with Salesian Japanese students such as learning sports, music and practice English. They received a warm welcome from Father Daniel Torogo, SDB, the school director. Sayeng Thong School has organized this event for the 3rd year in a row. This activity helped create a close relationship between a Salesian school in Japan and a Salesian school in Thailand. The first District Youth Olympics were organized on 7 to 9 June by youth workers from the Archdiocese of Cebu in favor of young people from District 2 in the Cebu South Metro area. The parish priests and youth directors sent boys and girls to take part in this 3-day sports celebration. The parishes were grouped into 4 houses based on their location: Ark of the Covenant, Morning Star, Seat of Wisdom and Vase of Honor. The Youth District Olympics aim to build friendships and bonds between young people from different parishes, promote sportsmanship and camaraderie, and encourage physical activity. Various sporting and cultural events were organized including basketball, volleyball, chess, dance and various types of games. Mission to Poland for Don Bosco Tech Europe APS, the social promotion association that coordinates Salesian vocational training in the old continent. The leadership of the institution recently conducted a preparatory visit to the Salesian St. Stanislaus Kostka province of Warsaw, Poland PLE. The main objective of this visit was to lay the foundations for future European projects aimed at promoting the mobility of students, apprentices and staff within the Salesian educational context. Europe is going through a phase of transformation in which education and vocational training play and will increasingly play an essential role. So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.